Ever wonder what it would be like to train like our ancient ancestors before technology? Well, after stumbling upon the intriguing fitness practice of animal flow, I, as a complete beginner, found myself captivated by its unique approach to movement. I yearned for a fresh and invigorating way to challenge myself physically and mentally, one that would awaken my primal instincts and leave me feeling truly alive. Animal flow is a fitness system that draws inspiration from the movements of animals, incorporating a combination of bodyweight training, yoga, and gymnastics. Its purpose is to enhance strength, flexibility, mobility, and coordination while fostering a profound mind-body connection. Created by Mike Fitch, a fitness expert and personal trainer, Animal Flow integrates natural and primal movements into a structured exercise routine. By mimicking the movements of creatures like bears, apes, crabs, and scorpions, Animal Flow cultivates a flowing and continuous workout experience. One of the remarkable aspects of Animal Flow is its versatility. It relies solely on body weight and requires minimal equipment, making it accessible to practice anywhere. The exercises primarily take place on the ground, utilizing 4 points of contact with the floor, such as hands and feet, and encompass a repertoire of crawling, rolling, and seamless transitions between various positions. Exercise 1. Beast Flow Circuit. The first exercise I did just after getting out of bed was a beast flow circuit. To begin a beast flow circuit, begin with a beast crawl, moving forward and backward for 30 seconds. Transition into a side kick thrust, alternating sides for 60 seconds. Perform a crab reach, reaching overhead and to the side, for 45 seconds. Complete the circuit with a scorpion kick thrust, alternating sides for 60 seconds. Rest for 1 minute and repeat the circuit for 3 to 4 rounds. After completing this, I will wait till after I eat my first meal of the day, then I will complete this next routine. 2. Ape Flow Sequence. To begin the ape flow sequence, start in an ape reach position, reaching your arms forward while squatting low. Transition into an ape walk, moving forward and backward. Perform an ape reach to beast crawl, alternating sides. Continue with an ape to crab reach, alternating sides. Flow through the sequence for 5 to 10 minutes, focusing on smooth transitions and controlled movements. Just after eating dinner, the third routine of the day, the crab flow circuit, as this will potentially be the hardest routine of the day. To perform the crab flow circuit, begin in a crab reach position, extending your hips and reaching with one arm. Transition into a crab walk, moving side to side. Perform a crab reach to beast crawl, alternating sides. Continue with a crab reach to scorpion kick through, alternating sides. Complete the circuit with a crab reach to side kick through, alternating sides. Rest for 1 minute and repeat the circuit for 3 to 4 rounds. Finally, to finish off the day just before going to bed, we will end the day off with the traveling animal flow routine. To perform this, start with a bear crawl, moving forward for a designated distance. Transition into an ape walk, moving backward for the same distance. Perform a duck walk, focusing on lower body strength and mobility. Continue with a frog jump, emphasizing explosive power. Repeat the sequence for a set number of rounds or distance. Day 1. Embarking on this 30-day journey of animal flow has brought forth a whirlwind of excitement and anticipation. As I dove headfirst into this new realm of movement, my initial experience with animal flow left an indelible mark. The sheer dynamism and fluidity of the practice immediately captivated me, revealing a world where strength, flexibility, and creativity intertwine. However, let it be known that this path was not without its challenges. As a beginner, I found myself grappling with the intricacies of each animal-inspired movement, striving to synchronize my body in harmony with the primal patterns. The coordination required, the control demanded, it all pushed me outside my comfort zone, forcing me to confront my limitations and embrace the process of growth. But challenges are not meant to deter us, they are stepping stones to greatness. And so, with unwavering determination, I set forth my expectations and goals for this transformative journey. I yearn to master the fundamentals of animal flow, refining my technique and deepening my mind-body connection. I envision gaining strength, mobility, and grace as I traverse this path, unveiling the hidden potential within me. This 30-day adventure holds the promise of growth, transformation, and an exploration of movement that will extend far beyond these fleeting days. Week 1. The inaugural week of my animal flow journey immersed me in the fundamental movements and exercises that laid the groundwork for this captivating practice. From mastering beast crawls to embracing the challenges of the crab reach and the ape walk, each day brought progress and a growing sense of familiarity. The once unfamiliar movements now flowed naturally, accompanied by subtle refinements and signs of growth. Recognizing my physical limitations, I adapted the practice to suit my capabilities, striking a balance between pushing myself and respecting my boundaries. This week deepened my connection to the innate capacity of my body for graceful, powerful motion, fueling my eagerness to unlock my full potential in this transformative journey. As the inaugural week of learning the basics came to a close, a sense of awe and wonderment enveloped me. Each animal flow movement revealed a story of strength, agility, and ancient wisdom. I looked forward to delving deeper into the intricacies of this practice, motivated by the promise of unlocking my full potential and embracing the transformative journey that lay ahead. Week 2. Entering the second week of my animal flow odyssey, I embraced fresh challenges to fortify my strength, coordination, and flexibility. The diverse range of progressive animal flow exercises enriched my practice, from the precise extensions of the scorpion reach to the demanding coordination of the beast crawl. With each exercise, my capabilities reached new heights. As tempo increased, transitions became seamless, and a symphony of strength and grace unfolded. Progress was tangible, as my muscles radiated newfound strength and resilience, and the controlled movements of the beast flow flowed effortless. Coordination sharpened, enabling seamless transitions and fluidity of motion, while flexibility bloomed, enhancing the beauty of each posture. Alongside the triumphs, challenges fueled breakthrough moments, revealing untapped potential and deepening my connection to the transformative power of animal flow. As the second week drew to a close, empowerment infused my being. The union of strength, coordination, and flexibility elevated my practice, promising further growth and exploration. Guided by the profound wisdom of the animal kingdom's movements, my understanding of my own capabilities deepened, fueling an unwavering passion for the transformative journey that lay ahead. Week 3. In the unfolding of the third week in my animal flow journey, I eagerly embraced the introduction of complex movements and transitions, diving deeper into this captivating practice. This transformative phase unveiled a tapestry of intricate variations, inviting me to synchronize body, mind, and breath in a symphony of motion. From seamless bear switches to the creative incorporation of crab reaches and scorpion reaches, each new element added a layer of complexity, expanding the horizons of my practice and fostering a sense of freedom and creativity. As I ventured into crafting flow sequences, prescribed movements gave way to my unique style, merging animal-inspired postures with my innate movement patterns. This fusion became an intricate dance, an expression of my personal journey and the embodiment of strength, grace, and individuality. The discovery of my creative potential ignited a fire within, propelling me to push boundaries and uncover deeper layers of my own capability. Challenges served as fuel for curiosity and determination, fueling my growth and expanding the vast repertoire of animal flow. As the third week concluded, I marveled at the evolution of my practice, transforming from learning to an artistic expression. The fusion of creativity, freedom, and the ancient wisdom of the animal kingdom coursed through my movements, infusing each sequence with grace and power. Confidence grew with each hurdle surmounted, inspiring a hunger for continued exploration and unveiling the infinite possibilities that awaited. This journey of self-discovery, marked by growth and a harmonious connection to primal essence, propelled me further along the path of evolution and self-expression. Week 4. As the final week of my 30-day animal flow journey arrived, I reflected on the milestones achieved and the profound progress made. This concluding chapter exemplified my dedication and unwavering commitment to this transformative practice. During this climactic week, expected and unexpected milestones marked my growth as a beginner. Strength flowed through my muscles, empowering me to navigate complex movements with grace. Flexibility expanded, unlocking new ranges of motion and liberation within my joints. Coordination became second nature, seamlessly harmonizing the elements of animal flow. Reflecting on the overall progress, physical gains in strength, flexibility, and coordination were evident. Yet, the unexpected benefits and personal insights resonated deeply. Animal flow forged a profound connection with my body, fostering self-care and self-compassion. It also cultivated mindfulness, allowing me to immerse myself in the present moment and find solace amid chaos. Furthermore, it became a platform for self-expression and creativity, enabling me to embody my true self authentically. As the final week concluded, gratitude filled my heart. This transformative journey sculpted not only my body but also enriched my mind, spirit, and sense of self. Its served as a reminder of our boundless potential, awaiting discovery and nurturance. Empowered and inspired, I emerged ready to continue exploring the limitless possibilities that lie ahead. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to subscribe and let us know some new challenges for us to try.